Hello guys! Today in Inkscape tutorial, quick tip how to set up dark mode in editor. So let's open up the Inkscape, and before start you need to check if you are using version 1 or above. So to check that, go to Help tab, and the last option is About Inkscape. So make sure you are using version 1 or above. It's not available in previous versions. So if you have that version or latest, you can go to Edit and Preferences, or you can use Shift Ctrl plus P shortcut. And here on the left side you need to select Interface, Theme, and after selecting Use Dark Theme, you will get dark mode in your editor. Hopefully that helps you, and thanks for watching.